All right, when we're laying out our barrel vault panel, you want to do at least a one pan stagger. We cannot do any straight laying. So then when we go up our rake or anything like that, you can see we want to just keep it as random as possible with that one pan minimum. All right, so when we're fastening and laying out our barrel vault direct to deck, we'll do the following steps. So as you can see here, I marked in white where the fasteners are going to be. You can see we're going to keep them out of the low part and keep them off of the high part. So we're going to have 4 in the front nose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 in the back as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we're laying this out, start at our bottom course. Make sure I have my 1/2 inch overhang. Then you can see the fasteners are going to be marked in white chalk. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are going to go down through the top 2 inches up. And that's because we have our 1/2 inch overhang, so that's why we're going to go through the top of these. So you can see, just taking your fastener 2 inches up in the edge, fasten those just like so. Now our bottom row, anytime we go down through the top of our panel, on our bottom row, we'll take our caulking, go ahead and caulk those fasteners. Then we'll come with our touch-up kit, so the granules from the touch-up kit, and we're going to go ahead and put those in that caulking. That way we give them a little extra protection, and that's going to go ahead and conceal those fasteners as well. Now, like I said, we're going to have our fasteners in the back shelf as well. So now once I put my next row on, and as we're going up the roof, the fasteners are going to go through the front nose. So you can see we have that same 4. We're going to stay out of the low part, out of the high part. So we're going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see those are just going to go on an angle, just like so, into the decking. And then fasteners in the back shelf, you can see we'll do the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we just want to make sure on the back shelf we don't over tighten these. We're just going to go through just like so. And then as far as panel layout, this is the left to right panel only. So you can see we'll start from the left and we'll go ahead and go right, and they'll fit on just like so. We want to make sure we have at least a 1 pan minimum as far as our stagger. And so now we can go ahead and continue up and across. Make sure I have my minimum of at least a 1 inch or 1 pan stagger. And then go ahead and fasten in those same spots going up the roof.